how to make a really cool server in Discord. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can create your own very cool server in Discord. So let's get started. Discord is becoming famous nowadays because it is a very cool platform to send and receive messages. You can do a lot with Discord. You can create your own channels, your own server where you can create your own community. If you are a player, a gamer maybe, or maybe you are just a person who just wants to hang out with their friends online, you can just create a server for them, for your friends, for your family, or maybe your fellow gamers. And Discord is an amazing platform to go for if you are looking for a very modern and advanced features, and everything is available in Discord. So what you have to do is you simply come to discord.com and you sign up. Of course, what you have to do is simply add your email address and then you get your own Discord. Now you can create different servers in your Discord. You can actually create more than one server in Discord. So to create a server, what you have to do is you will see this plus icon right here which says add a server. You will click on add a server. Now create my own. There are different templates available if you want to go for different templates. For example, gaming, school club, or study group. If you have any, you will simply go for any of the template, but we will be creating from the scratch. And I will be creating a server for my friends and I. So I will just simply click on create my own server for me and my friends, or I want to create a club, or I want to create a large community. So it depends on you that there's gonna be like few people, or maybe a very large community with thousands of people in it. So I will go for me and my friends, a very simple server that I will be creating. So I will change the name of this server to test server, because we are going to be doing and creating a test server. So this is going to be called test server. It looks pretty good. Now upload an image. I will simply click on this icon right here, upload image. Here I can actually upload the logo for my server. So you can go for any of the image from your computer, of course, any logo that you have already created, or maybe you want to go for any picture. So this is going to be me and my friends. So I think this picture actually looks pretty good. So I will go for this one. This is going to be the server logo, and it is going to be a test server. Let's just change the name and just call it friends. Okay, and create. So when you click on create, your server is created. It literally takes one step. Now this is my new server. You can see right here, welcome to a friend's server. This is the server that I just created. Now what I have to do is I will simply add different channels. There's going to be text channel, voice channel, how we can actually add bots to our server. I will show you everything, how to create a very cool server of your own. So let's add different elements. So what you can do is you will see the option of text channel right here, and there is one channel which is called general. So let's add another channel to our server, and it is going to be a text channel. I will simply click on this plus icon which says create a channel. So now I have two options, text channel or voice channel. So I am going with a text channel, and it is going to be called maybe because it's with my friends, so I'm gonna call it fun text. Okay, and I will simply click on create channel. Once I do that, you will see right here now a channel is created, which is a text channel, and it's called fun text. Let's add another channel right here. I will simply go to create channel, and it is going to be a text channel, and this is going to be named. Okay, so we're going to play truth and dare most of the time. So I'm going to add this text channel, and I will simply click on create. So once I do that, you will see now I have 3 text channel. Voice channel, let's create a voice channel. Simply click on create channel, and now I will click on voice channel, and this is going to be called calls. There you go, and create a channel. Perfect. I will add another channel which is going to be called, this is going to be a voice channel, and channel name is going to be songs, where we can actually listen to some songs. So I will create this channel as well. So I have like 3 text channel and voice channel. These looks pretty good. Now what I have to do is I can just simply create any invite and I can invite people to my channel. How to do that? You can just drag this down and you will see the option of invite people. From here you click on invite, and once you do that you will see different you will get your invite link, and then you can just simply invite your friends. Let's you can send any invites to different people you want to, and you will simply send them the invite and the invite will be sent. So now I have sent invite to some of my friends. I will later so once you have sent the invites, they will actually get it and they will accept the invite and they will be added to their channel. After that you will see right here that I have different options to go for. Now if I go to the drag down menu, you will see server boost and server settings. We will go right here once I show you how to actually add bots to your server, because we have to add bots. Because so let's add bots to our server because they will help this server work better. So what I have to do is I will simply go to top.gg, or you can just simply type on Google bots Discord or Discord bots, and you will actually come right here. From here we get our different bots for our servers. So the famous one is Me6, so let's find that. You can actually find any of these right here. So if I go to the bots, let's go for Me6. I guess I will be able to find it. So you can go for any of the bots that you want to. You can go for this one because this one actually allows you to have all of these unique items and you get different memes and stuff. This is actually a pretty cool one. So how to get a bot to your server? You simply click on invite and it is added to your Discord. You have to just link your Discord to top.gg and then it links the bot to your server and it is added. So you can see right here that I am going to select the server I want to add my bot to, and I will simply click continue. Once I do that, you will see all of these different options that are available, the permissions that I am giving to my bot. So I will just scroll down and authorize. Okay, perfect. And so you can see right here now this bot has been added to my server. So you can see right here I got this message. So this is how you add a bot to your server. This is super easy. This is how you can actually get any of the bot that you want to in order to make your server really cool. Now let me show you some of the other settings that you should go for in order to create a good server. So you will simply go to server and we will go to server settings. In the settings we will actually go to roles, and you can actually create different roles for different people. This is actually pretty cool that you can actually give different permissions to different roles. So you will simply click on create a role, and once you do that you will add the name for the role. For example, this is going to be a friends server, so I am going to give a role of maybe, okay, let's just say that you want to make somebody the admin. You will add the role name, which is going to be admin. Then you give them a color that they will have. Simply go to permissions. The permission you are going to give them. Now, this is the admin role, so I am going to give them the permission to actually manage the channel and manage the different roles as well. So this is how you can give permissions. Once you have added, you have created a role, you will simply click on save changes. Once you do that, now this role has been created. If I want to create another role, I will simply click on create role. Now give this role a name. Maybe this one is going to be manager. Perfect. And the color will be green. After that, let's go to permissions, and they will only have the permission to view. They will not have the permission to manage and manage channel and manage role. Okay, manager can actually manage the role, but they cannot manage channel. So yeah, this is good. And after that, simply click on save changes. So this is how you can actually create different roles for different people. After that, simply go to moderation. When you go to moderation, you will be able to add different moderation. For example, if there are different restrictions, if you want your verified email on Discord or anything, you can moderate from here, or you can just simply go to members. In members, you will be able to see the members that are in the group. Invites, when you go to invites, you will be able to check out the invites for you can invite different people. Now if you want to delete the server, you will simply click on delete server and you can do that. After that, you can go to integrations. Now integration is pretty cool. In integrations, we check out our bots that we added, and you can actually add different integrations right here on your Discord. If I go to overview, you will be able to see these different settings. For example, inactive channel. If there is any inactive channel, you can check it out. Then you can simply check out the system for messages, and then default notification settings. You can manage them from here. So this is how you actually go ahead and make all of these changes. You can go to emojis and you can upload your own emojis in the server that people will be able to use. If I go to enable community, you will be able to get started with your already created community. If you want to go for any communities, then you can just simply go ahead and do that. You can make your server a community for other people as well. So if you wanted to make any changes about, for example, roles, emojis, sticker moderation, you will simply come to settings and you will be able to do so. So for now, let's go back to our server and let's check it out. So this is my server that I just created. Now there are a few other things that I want to show you, and there are going to be the private channels and private things, how to actually create a private channel in which you can only add few people, or maybe some of the roles will be added to that channel. What you can do is, when you create a channel, for example this one, and let's create a text channel which is going to be private. Let's just say that you're friends with 2 people more than others. You can just add these 2 people here, or it can be only for admins. If you are doing business, if you are in community, you can create a channel which is only going to be for the admin and other people will not be allowed. So you will simply name your channel whatever you want to, and after that you will see the option of private channel right here. Check this one up. When you do that, you will be able to see that you will see this lock above, and this says that private channel. Click on next. So now you will actually add different members and roles that are allowed to, that you want to add. For example, I'm going to add my bot. I am going to add an admin and manager to this channel, right? So I will simply click on create channel. Now, only the people I selected are allowed to send messages to this channel. Others will not even see this channel, and this is a completely private. So this is how you create a private channel. And after that, you know how to send messages from here. You can go to user settings and change your settings. Again, you can go right here in the drop down menu. You can actually create different categories as well. In the different categories, you can actually create a channel if you want to. For example, there's a text channel, voice channel. You can go for maybe general, and you can create a category. When you do that, you will see right here that a new category will be added right here. So this is how you can actually go ahead and create. You can see right here, this one, this is the one that I just created. This is a new channel that you can create. After that, you can go to edit server profile. You can change the profile picture and everything. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to create a cool server on Discord. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.